Dear viewers, I shall share you the solution of this very interesting problem. Here, let ABC be a right angle triangle with BC equal to 3 and AC equal to 4. Let D be a point on the hypotenuse AB such that BCD equal to 30 degree, such that the angle BCD equal to 30 degree. What is the length of CD? We have to find the length of CD. Here, ABC is a right angle triangle whose side BC equal to 3 and AC equal to 4. Point D is taken on the hypotenuse AB such that the angle BCD equal to 30 degree. Then we have to determine the value of the length of CD. At first we draw the triangle, that is ABC is also a right angle triangle. This is the triangle. This is the triangle ABC. Here AB is hypotenuse, ACB angle ACB is 90 degree. Here AC is 3, 4 and BC is 3. So obviously AB is 5 because ABC is a right angle triangle. By applying Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of length of the value of the length of AB. We can find the length of AB by using Pythagoras theorem. So AB square equal to AC square plus BC square, which is equal to 4 square plus 3 square equal to 25. So AB is equal to 5. Value of AB is 5. Here D is a point taken on the hypotenuse such that BCD angle BCD is 30 degree. D is taken on AB in such a way that BCD equal to 30 degree. Here D is the point. D is the point. This is the point. Such that BCD equal to 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. This is the angle 30 degree. This, and we have to find the value of CD, length CD, value of the length CD, value of the length CD. Now we can apply the sine formula from properties of triangle on both ACD and BCD. Applying sine formula, on both ACD and triangle BCD, and triangle BCD we get CD over sine A equal to AD over sine ACD. Here angle BCD is 30 degree and angle ACB is 90 degree. Here also angle ACB is 90 degree. So angle ACD is also 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. Angle ACD is 60 degree. So CD over sine A equal to AD over sine of 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. That is AD over sine 60. And CD over sine B from the triangle BCD we get CD over sine B equal to dV over sine 30. This is sine formula. This sine formula says that the length of the sides are proportional to the sine of its opposite angle, of their opposite angles. This is the sine formula. Now CD equal to, from this equation we get CD equal to AD sine A over sine 60 degree, and here also CD equal to dV sine B over sine 30. CD equal to this and CD equal to this, so this equal to this. Right hand sides are equal. So AD sine A over sine 60 degree equal to dV over sine B over sine of 30 degree. AD sine A over sine 60 degree is √3 over 2 equal to dV. dV can be written as AB minus AD, AB, but value of AB is 5. So dV equal to 5 minus AD. So dB equal to 5 minus AD. Sine of B, here also sum of other two angles A and B is 90 degree because ACB is 90 degree. Now A plus B also 90 degree. So B equal to 90 degree minus A. So sine of B, that is sine 90 minus A, equal to cos A. From the properties of complementary angle we get sine of B equal to cos of A. This is also cos A over sine 30 is half. So sine A over cos A equal to root 3 5 minus AD over AD over AD. Sin A over cos A equal to root 3 5 minus AD over AD. Now again we can apply another property from properties of triangle on this triangle ABC by applying the property of triangle we get AB equal to, that is another property of from properties of triangle, AB equal to AC sin B, AC cos B plus AC cos B plus BC cos A. This is a property of triangle. This is another property of a triangle. From this property we can write AB equal to AC cos B plus BC cos A. Also AB is 5 and AC is given as 4. Cos of B. Cos of B means sine of A, because A plus B equal to 90 degree. B equal to 90 minus A, cos of 90 minus A is sine A. So we can write 4 into cos of B is also sine of A. Sine of A plus BC is given as 3 into 3 cos A. So 5 minus 4 sine A equal to 3 of cos A. We can take the square of both sides of this equation. 5 minus 4 sin A square equal to 3 cos A whole square. So this implies 25 minus 40 sin A minus 40 sin A. Expand this square whole square, that is 5 minus 4 sin A whole square. 25 minus 40 sin A plus 16 sin square A equal to 9 cos square A. Right hand side is 9 cos square A. 9 cos square A. This is equal to 9 into 1 minus sin square A. So we get 25 sin square A minus 40 sin A plus 16 equal to 0. This is, but this is a perfect square. This perfect square is 5 sin A minus 4 square equal to 0. This implies 5 sin A minus 4 equal to 0, and this implies sin A equal to 4 over 5. So cos A equal to 3 over 5. 3 over 5. Cos A equal to 3 over 5. Now sin A over cos A, we have already got sin of A over cos A. Now sin A over cos A equal to root 3 5 minus AD over AD. We have got this, that is sin A over cos A equal to root 3 into 5 minus AD over AD. But we have got the value of sin A and cos A. Sin A is 4 over 5 and cos A equal to 3 over 5. We can put these two values that is sin A equal to 4 over 5, 3 over 5 equal to 5 minus AD over AD, 5 minus AD over AD. So this implies 4 over 3 equal to root 3 5 minus AD over AD. So we get 4 over 3 equal to root 3 5 minus AD over AD. That is 4 AD equal to 15 root 3 minus 3 root 3 AD, minus 3 root 3 AD. So 4 plus 3 root 3 AD equal to 15 root 3. 4 plus 3 root 3 AD equal to 15 root 3. So we can get the value of AD from this equation, that is AD equal to 4 plus 3 root 3. This is the value of AD. This is the value. Now we can find the value of CD. Now we can find the value of CD, and also we have got the relation among CD and AD by applying sine formula on this triangle ACD. Applying sine formula on the triangle ACD, we have got the relation among CD and AD. This relation is CD over sine A. We have already got it. CD over sine A, CD over sine A equal to AD over sine of 60. So CD equal to AD sine A over sine of 60. But value of AD is this, that is 15 root 3 over 4 plus 3 root 3. We can put this value in this expression, that is AD is this, that is 15 root 3 over 4 plus 3 root 3. 15 root 3 over 4 plus 3 root 3 into sine A. Value of sine A is also got as 4 over 5, that is 4 over 5. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. So this is equal to 15 root 3, 4 plus 3 root 3 into 4 into 2 over 5 root 3. 5 root 3, and root 3 is cancelled out. This is 3, and this is equal to 24 over 4 plus 3 root 3. This is the value of CD. This is the value of CD. Value of CD is 24 over 4 plus 3 root 3. We have got the value of CD as 24 over 4 plus 3 root 3.